How's it going, everyone? I want to make this video because I totally think this is a rare scenario that we're seeing here, and this is not going to happen much. But I'm looking at stock CPRI, Capri Holdings Limited. We can go over the profile and see what they are, but it owns brands that are designers, marketers, distributors of women's and men's accessories. So they're based in the United Kingdom here. And as you can see, we went down, we went from like $42 to 21. We took like 100% haircut, right? And we ended at 20.99. And the reason why one that I like this so much is because one, it's a extremely dead cat bounce, right? I mean, look at this big move down we had. It was just absolute massive, way up, way below the ATR4. And when I look at something like this, not just because it had a big drop, but when I'm looking at my things and my indicators, and this setting that is extremely uh, you know oversold if it does hit it, I have to look like and be like, if we ever hit an ATR7, this is a 4. This is literally at an ATR7 right now. I have to be like, this is due for a move up, right? It doesn't have to happen instantly. I think within, it's October 25th. I think next week easily we could see at least 10 to 20% gain. We were starting to get that pre-market, or not pre-market, but when the market opened, we had this kind of big, not a big move, but we kind of had this move up here about 7% from the lows. I almost took some out at the 10%, so I started holding them, but this is not really that bad. I really think this is going to be an explosive move, and I have my reasons for it. I've seen these kind of stocks before play out, so this is definitely one to look at. The weekly candle, we have had some weekly candles before, but obviously in one day like this is a drastic candle down. And you can read the news about it. I think it is definitely an overreaction. And we got a lot of analysts too on this saying that the market for lowers the price target to 26, and we could see definitely a hold rating. I definitely agree with that. I don't think this is definitely time to be selling, but obviously if you were in this before, yeah, it kind of sucks. You went through here. I was actually looking at this one way back, and this thing won actually, this thing pumped pretty drastically way back here when it got very close to these ATRs. You would never take it just on the first touch here. The only reason why I'm liking this a lot is because it's a bigger cap stock and we're at like an ATR 7. I don't see that often. I've probably seen maybe 3 that are bigger cap stocks that did that this year, and they had a pretty good dead cat bounce. Where they have a dead cat bounce to is going to be this ATR4. So, like I said, it doesn't have to have it doesn't have to happen instantly, but I do know for sure this thing is going to have a pretty nice bounce. So keep an eye on it. It's definitely interesting. It's a higher quality stock. You got analysts on it, lots of volume, and you can see like there was lots of volume before. It's not just today. So this one's definitely interesting to me. So how am I looking to trade it? Well, if you were in the Discord, I did alert this one in the swing trade alerts. I said I'm in CPRI for that dead cat bounce, and then I'm looking to add at the end of the day. So yeah, I'm in a decent average, right? I added it at the the pre market. Like I said, I could have sold this for a nice little scalp. So I got it right here, and then end of day. So anything I would like to see this, $25 range. That would be a pretty good gain. So if this goes to, if we look at the price range here and we go to 25, which will be about, let me see what we can get here at the 25. Right about here is you're looking at a 20% gain. But like I said, 10 to 20% gain, definitely a very conservative short-term target. Now, my long-term, obviously, anything's up for grabs. But as you can see, if this thing does get going on its moves ups, right? It can keep going. This thing went right here, hit this lower band here, and then just shot up. It doesn't have to do that right away, but like I said, if you held this thing out, this thing did a pretty big move. I think this is just temporary gain, and the best scenario is, you burn yourself, you grab let's just say you put your hand on the hot stove here, yeah, it freaking hurts, right? And that's what happened to this stock. Is there any reason to, go to the hospital if it's just a minor burn? No, you got slightly burned, you put some ice on it, and this thing will recover. This right here is just an overreaction play. Everyone's freaking out, and I think it'll be totally fine. So yeah, keep this one on the radar here. I'm curious what the RSI is. Sometimes I like to look at that when there's a big down move. The RSI is sitting at wow, 10.24. It was 55, it turned to 10. It dropped so bad, it's like, whoa. It doesn't know what to place it at. The KDJ is at an 18.32. I can't really rely on that. It's going to take time to scale out. But yeah, I'm kind of hesitant. Like I like the 10 to 20% gain. To this ATR4 is a 37% move. But yeah, keep your eyes on it. I think this is a good one. And also, guys, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, feel free to click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, or in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to subscribe, it's super easy to do. Be a part of an awesome community. So one of the members brought this stock up, and I was like, yeah, man, I freaking love this stock. And like I said, we get in early. We don't, when this thing starts pumping, you don't want to be in it, right? You do not want to get in it when it starts bumping, and then all the people start chasing, and then when it starts dumping, then you're like, shoot, you always want to get in early. With this system, you can really catch precise bottoms. With bigger cap stocks, I will give you a hint. I have yet to lose on a bigger cap stock. I played many bigger cap stock, many big cap stocks, so this strategy really does work for them. If you hit the server shop here, you can see the two memberships. Swing trading is $6. Day and swing trading is 12. I highly recommend the day and swing trading. Spend the extra money. You'll learn a really good day trading strategy. You get both services for all-time low cost, $12 a month, and all these subscriptions will be added. The best thing that I love doing, and I think a lot of people that love it, is I do live streams. If you go here, you can see my live streams here, and all the, you get access to this. So if you ever want to just see, how am I doing trades, talking through real time, executing real trades in real time, you can see all that. For a low type price of $12, you're going to get the day trading education, swing trading education, and one of these videos have my indicators available. But it's really nice. I think it's really nice. I think you guys are going to learn a lot. If you guys haven't really heard of, there's a lot of strategies out there that, that are very confusing. I try to keep it as simple as possible. I think anybody that comes in here, watch a couple videos, you'll definitely understand how to do this strategy. And this is more not just me alerting to. Yes, I'll say like, oh, I'm looking to buy CPRI end of day. It's more like, why do I like these scenarios? And the more times you see, stocks and you get experience, you'll be like, yeah, I've seen this scenario so many times that the odds of buying a stock at an ATR7 that's a bigger cap stock with analysts on it, it is oftentimes a really good buy. Like I said, you burnt your hand on the stove. This stock is the same thing. I don't see anything really bad to not buy it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And let's make some trades together. And like I said, I'll be on the live streams pretty much all the time, helping you guys out. All the members that are there for you, I'm going to be there for you. If you lost money, just learn from it. Never be greedy. That's the biggest thing I see traders lose. They lose because they're like, 10% is not good enough. I want to make 20%. The more you raise your targets, the more riskier, you can lose your gains. Do not let a green trade go red. Take those conservative targets and then trail and stop the ones that you don't mind hitting a stop loss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.